Hey guys, it's Irene here, Black Hiking Queen, and I'm here with my friends, Elizabeth and Joe. Oh, did you hear that? I got scared at first. I thought it was a snake. We are at the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge here in Oklahoma, and we are going to do a short hike along the Narrows Trail, and I'm going to take y'all along with us. Now it is October, but it feels like summer. It's so hot. But yeah, I got water, got my hat, brought my sun hoodie too, just in case. And we're gonna get hiking. So this is the Narrows Trail, which is my favorite here. And this little section reminds me of Zion National Park. Maybe that's why it's called the Narrows. But, woo! Oh, stepped on a rock. It's so beautiful. We are hiking another trail. What's the name of this one again? Mountain? Elk Mountain? Elk Mountain.
Yes, Elk Mountain. Sunshine Trail.
Elk Mountain Trail, I think. Or Sunshine Mountain, something like that. Yeah. It's so hot. Yeah. We're climbing up this mountain. We're about to go up there.
It's not too bad. It's pretty awesome here. Look at this view. It's really pretty.